Tuwing ito yung dinadala ko sa Christmas parties with my friends, they always end up craving for more.
Simulan natin ito sa pagluto ng pork cutlet. Season lang ang pork loin with some Maggi Magic sarap, then coat it in flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Fry it till golden, then let it cool. What's truly the star of this dish is the rich and creamy sauce. Ito talaga yung sinisimot ng mga friends ko. Sa parehong pan, igisa ang garlic at ibuhos ang tubig. And what really makes the sauce silky and binds all the ingredients together is the Nestle All-Purpose Cream. This creamy texture allows the sauce to coat the pasta beautifully. Then, for the finishing touch, slice ang pork cutlet into serving pieces at ilagay ito sa ibabaw ng pasta along with some bacon bits and parsley. Kaya subukan mo itong dalhin sa next party nyo at tsak na lagi ito na magiging request nila sa'yo.
Ooh. It's hearty and the cream gives that delightful mouthfeel. I mean, gets kung ba't sinisimot ng friends ko yung sauce.
Cream-pressive ang sarap ng Nestle All-Purpose Cream, now with a new look.